Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Every morning, 5 o'clock, Jamaica time. Now, we've been having a series of guest readers. And after we did the series on parables, we started a series of having pastors or church leaders read their favorite passage from the New Testament. Now, if you've missed some of those, then feel free to go back and watch them again. And of course, share them with people that you know would be blessed by them. Now, today we are having the third in a series of 3 readings from Reverend Courtney Stewart, who is actually the General Secretary of the Bible Society of the West Indies. They are the ones actually responsible for publishing the Jamaican New Testament, so we are very grateful to them for making this very important decision and significant contribution to the people of Jamaica and even beyond Jamaica, because me know say some of you are no Jamaican people, right? So yes, without further ado, let me get out of the way. Oh, further ado, make sure that if you like the video, you click the like button. And make sure to leave a comment, please, so that we know that you are here and that you're watching and that you're interacting. And of course, share it. Share it with people that you know would benefit from this reading. And hold on, you subscribe yet? Because if you subscribe and you click the notification bell, then you will not miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today reading come from Philippians 1:19-30. Cause Jesus Christ Spirit to help me, and cause you know pray for me. Me know say all the sitting them were up to me, I go walk out so that we will get free. So deep down in my heart, me really trust say nothing when me do or when me say, I go make me shame. But like me always do, and I do right here now, me ever go preach and not afraid of nothing. Me ever go make Christ Jesus get enough respect, whether me dead or alive. Or me see it, a Jesus Christ me a live for. And if me dead, it would have only turn out better for me. But if me go and live in the body here, me will get to do enough more sitting for Jesus. So which one me fi pick? Me really don't know. Me don't know which one fi pick. It come in like anywhere me turn, Maka joke me. Me would have want fi dead and go live with Christ Jesus than Tanya. Cause that would have wholly better for me. But you don't need me for help, you know. So it would have better for me for turn in the body here. I mean, know for sure, say, me go turn here with you know, and go and help you know, so that you know we trust in a God more and more. And so that you know we're more happy what we want to believe. So when we come back, come look for you again, you know we can praise Christ Jesus enough more. Sake of way him use me for do for you. So make sure you live all the good news about Christ Jesus, so if you live that way there. Whether me come look for you or me not come. Me we hear say all of you turn up strong together for the same thing and a fight for one to believe about the good news. And no make nobody will fight against you frighten you neither. Turn up strong. And that we show say them are going to lose and that you are going to win. And God himself are going to make you win. Because God's so good to you. him going to the chant, no only for believe in a Jesus Christ, but for suffer for him too. The same sitting them where uno did see me go through, and here's me still a go through, are the same sitting uno a deal with now.
A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.